Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Are you curious about what's going on with your child or spouse's WhatsApp and who are they hanging with, or who are they talking or chatting to? Or you are just curious about monitoring your child or spouse's WhatsApp? In any case, you have come to the right video. In this video, I'm going to introduce the best phone tracker for parental control, which allows you to monitor every keystroke and every tap going on with your targeted device, see where they have been and where they are going, find out where they have called, and also monitor their WhatsApp and other social media platforms, which we'll just explore in just a minute. After you have successfully created an account on mSpy, you'll be redirected to its dashboard. Don't worry, we'll just see in a minute that how you can install it. Here's the main overview. You'll be redirected to dashboard and you get the main information about the device you are targeting to, and here you get the GPS location or where the device is at the present moment. And if you simply scroll down here you get the link to all the social networks including WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram messages and other social media platforms. If you click on WhatsApp, here you will see all the chats. As I've recently installed mSpy, that's why it is telling that it may take up to 1 hour for the data to display here. Now how to install it? Once you create an account on mSpy, you'll be redirected to this interface. After that, you have to select the language you prefer and press the confirm button. Next, it will ask you for the device that you want to monitor. Keep in mind, if you monitor the Apple device, you'll have to jailbreak the iPhone, which is not a thing recommended by me. By the way, in either case, select the device you are targeting to. After that, it will ask you for the company. For example, my child has a phone of Oppo, so I'm going with it. Next, it will guide you all the details that you want to do with your child or spouse's phone. Now, after you have successfully installed mSpy on the targeted device of your child, now let's see how you can use it. You'll be redirected to main dashboard. Here you can see the location where your child is at the present moment. And if you want to see the detailed history of all the locations, here you can scroll down and here you get an option of GPS locations. If you click on it, here is all the list view of the locations that the targeted device has visited. And here is another option named geofencing. You can select a specific zone where when your child enters, you will be alerted. So you can simply click on this new zone button and you can add any zone that you want. Here are all the contacts that are saved on your targeted device, the text messages which are going through the device, and same is the case with calls, events, photos and videos saved on the device. Here you will see all the Wi-Fi networks the device has been connected to. And here is the keylogger, where you can see the notifications going through your child's device. And here you can see all the new or old installed applications or all the apps which are installed on your child's device. And here again, you can not only see the WhatsApp, but you can also track the Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook Messenger and all the other social networks, as this software has a wide range of features and it allows you to monitor every blueprint of your child's device. Now, as far as the pricing of this mSpy app is concerned, this has the best selling rate of $28 per 3 months. And you can always choose the 12 months plan, which only costs $11 per month. And what can be cheaper than this? So that's all for today. If you have any of the questions regarding registration or anything about this mSpy application, you can always tell me in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.